This video is a quick tutorial on how to connect an Interact quiz to Kartra so that you can send automatic personalized follow-ups based on quiz results. We're going to start in Interact. This is our quiz, what's your true skin type? Our quiz has 3 different results. We have dry, oily, and combination. And we're going to send a different result or a different email based on which result each person gets. So let's go down to lead generation. Click on the setup opt-in form. First, we'll set up the form with what we want to have it say. And then we'll go to integration. Click on Kartra. I've already signed in. The first time you signed in, you'll just need your API key and API password. Now I have my 3 results over here, dry, oily, and combination. I'm going to go ahead and click add action. And I have created tags in Kartra for each of these results. We'll look at that after we connect this up. So for this one, dry, click on dry, then click save. Do the same thing for the next one. For oily, click on oily, click save, combination, and combination, click save. Okay, save and continue. You can do the same thing for the answers to individual questions. That's a little more advanced. Save and continue. It's connected up there. Save and continue. Test that integration. And we are all good to go. So that's how it works inside of Interact. Now let's go over and look at our setup in Kartra. In Kartra, I have 3 different sequences created, one for each of these results. So let's look at how those sequences work. For my combination sequence, I have it set up where the trigger for this sequence is when someone gets the tag combination skin. So if I look at that, edit, lead is assigned tag combination skin. Then they get an email that says your quiz result is combination skin. And then I can send other emails as well based on that one. And I just repeated the process for the other 3 there as well. Under leads, when I go into tags, I simply set up these tags for each of the results. So that's it. That's as simple as it is to connect up your Interact quiz to Kartra and begin sending personalized follow-ups from Kartra.